Good morning. Today we are going to be working on formatting a spreadsheet. Okay, and that's Excel assignment number 5. Okay, so first we're going to go to Moodle. Okay, we're going to click on Excel 5, formatting our spreadsheet template. Okay, and we're going to see a spreadsheet here with a bunch of numbers with decimal points. Okay, don't be alarmed. Okay, that's what we want. Okay, I'll show you what to do with it throughout the video, so it's going to be okay. All right, so first, what I want to do is I want to switch our view of this from portrait to landscape. Okay, so if we go to page setup, make sure click on our toolbar. Okay, then we click on page setup in our toolbar, and then we have orientation, says portrait. We're in portrait layout right now. We want to be in landscape. So I'm just going to click on landscape. Okay. And what that's going to do is it kind of flips the paper this way, gives us more space to add things horizontally instead of vertically. Okay. So from that point, we have our Mr. C's video rentals monthly sales here. Okay, that's our numbers right here. Okay, we want to categorize this by month. Okay, so right here, this first month is going to be January. We're going to go all the way to April. Okay, so I'm just going to type in January. Okay, and hit return. Okay, now I'm going to select that cell, and instead of writing the other 3 months, all I have to do is drag my mouse over that cell until we see the black plus button or the black cross, and then we're going to click. As you can see, as I drag it, you can see the names of the months actually appear in order, in chronological order. So there we go. Without even having to write them, I have my 4 months, and we're all ready to go. Okay. Now, here's our title here. I want to merge. Actually, yeah. I want to merge and center our title. Okay, so here's our title up here. I actually want to select all of those cells. Okay, so cells A through E. Then I want to merge and center those. Okay, so first we want to make sure that our formula bar, I'm sorry, view toolbars, that both our standard and our formatting toolbars are up. Okay, so right here's our merge and center button. All I'm going to do is click on that. Okay, and then that centers our title. Excellent. Okay. Okay, from that point, we want to make our months bold. Okay, so I'm going to click on those, highlight them with the white plus button. Okay, go up to my toolbox, under font, click the B for bold. Cool. Okay, go to my video titles. I'm going to make that bold. Okay, I'm also going to underline that. Okay, and then I'm actually going to click, make sure I'm clicked on that cell. Go to my format, or I'm sorry, go to my formula bar. Right there, formula bar. So I'm just going to put a colon there. Okay. Hit return, and we are good. Okay. Now let's highlight our movie titles. Okay. I'm going to go to, now I want to align these all the way, I want to align these to the left. They look like they already are aligned to the left, but we'll do that anyway. Okay. Now I'm going to align those left. Cool, man. Okay. Let's see here. We're going to make all our movie titles. Again, white plus button, highlight. And we'll italicized though. We're going slow today on the computer. Let's see here. So I almost forgot about our title. Our last formatting, our last font formatting thing here. I'm going to click on the cell with our title. I'm going to make it bold. Okay. I'm going to, let's see, make the font keep the font the same. I'm going to just make the size. Size 14. Okay, 14. Cool. Okay, so at this point, we have all these numbers here. Some with all of them have 3 decimal points afterwards. We want to format this and actually make this so they're two decimal points, and then we want to turn this into cash. Okay, so first let's get rid of those ugly decimal points there. We're going to go back up to our toolbar up here. Okay. Okay. And under here we have a sign that says increase decimal, and we have decrease decimal. We want to click on that decrease decimal button. Okay. Okay. Now you can see down here that all of our decimal points decreased by 1. And now if there's something if there was something in the thousandth spot there, it rounded up. Okay, or rounded down depending. Okay, so now we have 2 decimal places to the left or to the right. Okay. Now we want to format this and we want to make this cash. So you could actually go to, you do that one of 2 ways. You could right click, okay, go to format cells. This is going slow today. Okay. Or there's also in the toolbox, you can do it. I'll show you that in a second. Okay. So I want to make sure that we have numbers selected. Then we're going to go to currency. Okay. See that we hit OK. Okay. Now we have cash. Awesome. Okay. All right. From this point, now we have our cash totals. We want to get the sum for each month. Okay. Monthly sales for each month. So, okay, just like we did in the past, we're going to do equals sum. Okay. Then I'm going to click on my white plus button, select that column, then hit return. Okay, cool. Okay. Again, we don't have to do that formula 3 more times. All we have to do is click on that cell, get our black cross, click, drag it over. Okay, cool. Now you see we checked them out. It has the proper sums for each column in there. Okay. You can see in our formatting, our formula bar up there. Okay, cool. Okay, so we just have some simple formatting stuff to do and we'll be done here. Okay, so first I want to put all of our video titles in a box. Okay, so I'm going to click on video titles, click in that cell. Then I'm going to highlight over everything inside of there. Okay. Now we're going to go to our borders and shading menu in our toolbox. Okay. Under borders, click on border type. Okay, and we just want that box shape there, the outside borders it's called. Okay. Good. Now I click off it, you can see we have it placed in a box there. Okay. We want to put our totals in another type of border. So We're going to go back to border type, and let's go with top and bottom border, top and double bottom border. Sorry. Okay, there we go. Okay, cool. Okay, let's actually give our numbers some color here. Okay, our monthly totals. We're going to highlight those. Goes back to our borders and shading menu. Under shading, click on color. Okay, we'll make that, let's see, light blue. Okay, yeah, that works. Okay, also let's highlight over that again. Let's make that bold so it sticks out a little bit. Good. Okay, and then let's highlight over our totals, and let's make that yellow. Okay. Also, let's go and let's make that bold as well. All right, cool. So we just learned how to format a monthly budget. Okay. Monthly sales totals here. Okay. Excellent job. Okay. So far we've learned multiplication, division, your basic formulas, and how to format our spreadsheet. You've done an excellent job at this point. Let's keep it up. Have a good day.